chef hit, guys. Yeah. Hey, tell them when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with them chef guys. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my apron, I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. This roll of dicing with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, you right. Chef and dice, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. We have a potato right there. So I have a taste for a nice baked potato. So that's what we're gonna stuff it with. We have our boneless chicken thighs. I already cooked it. Just gave it a nice little saute on the stove. A little bit of oil, a little seasoning. So I did that off camera. We have our crab meat. We have our garlic, our green onion. We have our Italian parsley and our little seasoning. We have our Old Bay seasoning. We have our paprika, our basil, and our Italian seasoning. So we're about to make it happen right here in this Good Kitchen. So what I'm gonna do with this baked potato, instead of throwing it in the oven, I'm gonna poke a couple holes in this bad boy. Already rinsed it, let it soak, rubbed it, all that good stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this bad boy in a microwave. So that's how we're gonna do the baked potato. We'll bake it in the microwave. Alright, so we have a little bit under half a stick of butter. We'll go ahead and put it in the pan and let this butter melt. Okay, so we're gonna take this baked potato and just cut it just like this here. Alright, now this part right here, I'm just gonna take the fork and get all this out. Alright, so it's my shrimp right here. Now remember, the crab meat is already cooked, so we don't have to put the crab meat in here to cook. We just go mix it. That's all. Garlic. We're gonna use some of this Husky liquid smoke. That smells good, huh? That smells good. No, it don't take long for the shrimps to cook. chicken. Green onions, Italian, parsley. Mix all that together. Don't let that flavor go unnoticed. Now we'll add our seasoning. That smells real good. Everything together. Now we'll go ahead and add a crab meat. That's how we looking with the stuffing. Right there. We have our chicken and our seafood stuffing. Alright, so this is what we got out the potato. Add a little bit of butter. Add our stuffing. Mix all that together, like so. We'll add some PAPRIKA cheese right here. Okay, so we'll add our COLBY cheese. Boom. We'll go ahead and stuff this bad boy until we can't stuff it no more. Okay, so here we go right here. We have our chicken, seafood, baked potato. Looking good, looking good. I have to put the sour cream on there for the good family and friends, but I don't care about sour cream. But here we go right here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. A nice little quick video for the family and YouTube. Did my thing. Looking good, tastes good. Made it happen. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit, guys.